Hello students, today we are going to start our third chapter, that is decimal, and our topic today is addition and subtraction of decimal. So what is decimal? Decimal consists of two parts, whole part and a decimal part. For example, I have a number 32.473. So it is divided into two parts. This is the whole part, and the part after this decimal is known as decimal part. So there are two types of decimal, like decimals and unlike decimals. Let us check this by example. For example, I have two numbers. The first one is 34.57 and the second is 2.3. So the first number has two decimal places, that is 5 and 7, and the second number has one decimal places, which is only 3. So the numbers in which the decimal places are different are known as unlike decimals. And the like decimal, for example, I have number 3.57 or 5.62. In both these cases there are two decimal places, the 5.7 in the first one and 6.2 in the second. So the first one is unlike decimal and the second one is like decimal. So you should have equal number of decimal places in the both decimals, so you can consider it as a like decimal. How can you convert the unlike decimal into like decimals? But before that, let us check these numbers. 2.5 and 2.500. These both the numbers are equal in value, because if you add 0 at the end of a decimal number, the value does not change. So considering this, you can change unlike decimal into like decimal. Let us take this first example, 34.57 and 2.3. If I add a 0 behind 3, the value does not change, but in this case the decimal places become equal. This means both number have two decimal places. So to convert unlike decimal into like decimal, we use 0. You can take another example, for example 3.47 or 12.534. Do not bother about the whole part, you just need to see about the decimal part. There are 3 decimal places in the second number and 2 decimal places in the first number, so you have to change it into both the numbers into like decimal, equal the decimal places. So now these both number have 3 decimal places and they are like decimals. The next one is comparison of decimals. So there are different ways the question can be asked. It can be compare the decimals, or the question can be which of the following decimal is greater, or another question can be asked, that is put the sign, for example greater or less than or equal to sign between the two decimal numbers. Take an example. Compare the both parts of these decimal number. As we see, the whole part of these both numbers are equal. It has 23 and the second one also has 23. Now start comparing the decimal parts. The first decimal part is 4 and in this case the decimal part is 3. So we get answer from this first part only. The first number is greater than the second, so you can put this sign. Let us take another example. For example, 0.006 and the second number is 0.06. The whole part of these both numbers are equal. Both have 0 in the whole part, 0, and this whole part has 0. Now the first decimal place in both cases is equal. Compare the second decimal place, 0, and in this case it is 6. Now forget the rest, we got the result from this. So we can say that which one is greater. The second decimal place of this number is greater, so put this sign. So this is known as the comparison of decimal. You can also express the different quantities in a decimal form. For example, kg, meter, hours, etc. Let us take an example. 4 kg 150 gram. We have to convert this into kilogram. So as we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. The first part is already in kg, so we need not change this first part. The second is 150 grams, so convert this into kilogram. As we know, 1 kg has 1000 grams, so divide it by 1000. 150 by 1000. I have written this all in a mixed number, so convert it into a decimal form. How can we convert? First convert into improper fraction and then convert it into a decimal form. 4 into 1000, 4000. 4000 plus 150, 4150. We converted it into a improper fraction. Now convert it into decimal. We have 3 zeros, so place a dot after counting the 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3 from the right side. So this is our answer. Another example can be 3 meter to centimeter. We have to convert this all into meter. So first we take 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the first part here is already in meter, write it as it is. The second one is 2 centimeter. How can you convert centimeter into meter? Divide it by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Write it as a mixed fraction. So 3 into 100, 300 plus 2, 302 by 100. We converted it into improper fraction. Now place a decimal, leaving 2 decimal places, that is 0.3, and write meter. Okay, there is a common mistake in this part which students sometimes do, that is they take 2 by 100 and just write 0.32. They take these both numbers and place dot after this 3. Okay, this is the common mistake which is wrong. Okay, do it as it we have done in first part. There is one more part of the decimal, that is expanded form. How can you expand a decimal number? For example, we have this number. You have done the expanded form already in earlier classes. This is the same. So first expand the whole part. This is 415, 100th place, 10th place and 1st place. 10th place 400, 1st place and 10th place and 5 at 1st place. We have expanded the whole part. So how can we expand the decimal part? 2 divide by 10 because it is on 10th place, and the 3 divided by 100 because it is on 100th place. You can take another example. For example, so 2 is on 10th place, 20 plus 5. Expand the whole part. Now we start the decimal part. 0 by 10, that is 0. So you need not write this first part. The second is 0 by 100. This is same. This is also equal to 0. And the third, 7 divided by 1000. So just skip the both 0 and write the third decimal place, that is 7 by 1000, because 7 is at 1000th place. This is 10th, 100th, and 7 is at 1000th place. Okay, and the last one is addition or subtraction. This is also similar as you do the simple numbers, but one thing that you have to keep in mind is always place the decimals below the decimal, and in the answer you have also you should also place the decimal below the decimal places. So rest is same. Just if you want to add this number, for example, the answer will be this is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood this all things about addition and subtraction of the decimals. Thank you.